is in here, guys. Yes. No, magkaning kuan guys, no. Limpyo ko diri sa akong likod guys. Ang mga lilis. Yes, I'm planting some of leaping tree guys here in the back. I'm planting some of this tree as well. Planting over all my lilies is looking over. Oh, look at that guys in the garden. Look at that bird over there in the sunflower. Hello, reviewers. Ayo, good morning. It's gonna be like rain again, guys. And then got a lot of bird in my, a lot of bird in the garden. So I'm gonna put it back over there, guys. Okay. I don't know. Cut the mosquito. Hello, friends. Good morning. Walking around, guys, over here in the tree. Over here in this tree. Look at this tree, guys. This is our tree in the back. So I need to be clean up, guys. I need to. Hello. Alright, clean up. Okay. I'm going to back over here because I'm planting all this. So I'm planting like weeping tree. I'm planting this over here. And where is all? Simple mommy over here is planting some weeping tree. This seeds is from Shane. I got from Shane. Okay, I plant one in there. I'm gonna plant over here, and I'm gonna plant some over here because in shed, our shed is a big mess. So I have three over. I want to put trees here because the electric. You see the electric over there? I'm scared. That's why I want to put tree in there. Let's go check our grapes. Look at that grape, guys. I want you to see that grape. I don't know if you can see the grape. See, I cut these grapes early spring. I butchered these grapes and now look. You have to grass. Sorry, it's a grassy. I found some grapes in there underneath of this. I keep trying to put this to move these grapes over there. Now I need to cut this grapes. No, it's over there. So they got that underneath. So I need to clean up